Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can connect your Google Drive account with your account on Perplexity AI in 2026. For example, if you'd like to use your stored files on Google Drive like images or PDF documents and so on and so forth for your questions, requests and for your conversations on Perplexity AI. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Perplexity AI, log into your account, click into your profile icon in the bottom left and navigate to connectors here. Or alternately, inside your account settings, you may navigate to connectors on the left hand side. And here to the right, you may search for the given connector by using that search bar or go by a specific category. Or if you see Google Drive already in the suggestions, click into that plus button. And after that, what you want to do, guys, is click into add connector. However, I can't do this because I don't have the permission with my current account level. If you have the permission, guys, and the given account level or status, Google Drive will on the next page ask you for permission to be connected with Perplexity. So make sure that you're logged in with the associated and relevant Google account, of course. Give the permission if necessary, and after that you will see the connected apps here in that list so that you may disconnect, for example, from it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.